With gesture drawing, since we can be a bit more flexible, right? We can observe the motion of the body a lot more, okay? And what we actually call that, all right, is the line of action, all right? So let me show you how that's gonna look, okay? I think it might be like familiar for some of you, but let's do like a quick pose, all right? I think some of you might recognize this from, again, the gesture drawing homeworks, all right? So in one of the homeworks, there's sort of a guy like doing like a spike, for example, like this, right? So something like this. All right. So I think in the worksheet, there's a guy doing this kind of pose. All right, and you have to recreate this. Okay. So I want you guys to observe something here, right? There's a very clear line of action, all right, being followed with this shape. All right. And that line of action is what makes your poses not feel stiff. All right. So when you're drawing poses, for example, it needs to have a very clear line of action. All right. So for example, let's look at this character here. All right. You can see that their line of action is just kind of straight, right? They're just kind of standing still. Okay. So we need to find a way to make this line of action a lot more dynamic. All right. So I like to call this quote unquote JoJoifying some poses. So you can see like JoJo's Bizarre Adventure like poses, right? They're all like super dynamic. They're all super flamboyant. All right. And that's because they have like very, very wild line of actions. Okay. So let's make this line of actions a bit more wild. All right. So let's do something like this. All right. Let's have uh, the line of action curve more towards this way. All right. So if we draw the body, all right, following this line of action, all right, it's gonna curve a lot more this way, again with the bean shape. All right. So let's draw the legs right here. All right. Actually, let's lower the opacity of this so we can see our sketch a lot better. There we go. All right, let's flip the canvas. All right, let's draw some lines first. There we go. And there we go. Okay, so just from this alone, right? Since their body is now like a lot more curved, you can very clearly see the line of action a lot more. Okay.
If you've wanted to make manga for years, but still don't have a finished one-shot, your next step is to apply for a free one-on-one manga roadmap call. We'll look at your idea or pages and map out a clear 60 to 90 day plan to finish a 16 to 24 page contest-ready one-shot. We only open a few spots each week, so if you want one, click the link in the description or go to learntodrawmanga.com, apply, and pick a time for your call.